An oily water separator is a device that does just that, separates oil from water. It must also have the ability to separate contaminants as well. Some of these contaminants include cleaning products, soot from combustion, rust, sewage, and other things that may be harmful to the ocean. The goal of the oily water separator is to produce clean water for discharge. A typical oily water separator consists of three basic components: the separator unit, the filter unit, and the oil content monitor and control unit. While every oily water separator may differ mechanically based on its manufacturer, the science behind it is simple. Oil is less dense than water and can be separated and removed by relying on the differences in specific gravity. The oily bilge water passes through multiple stages. First, to remove solids, then a coalescer where oil and water are broken apart to allow it to be skimmed off, and then a final stage to remove any residual oil and sludges not eliminated in previous steps. Oily water separators must be fitted with an oil content monitor. This samples water going overboard to ensure oil content is less than 15 parts per million. If it passes this check, the monitor allows the water to be discharged. If the oil content is higher than 15 parts per million, the oil content monitor activates an alarm and the flow is stopped by an automatic shutoff valve.